Adding products to your store. Before you can sell anything on your Shopify store, you need to add products. There are a few different ways that you can add more products to your store, including wholesale marketplaces, on-demand printing, and dropshipping. But in this video, we'll cover the basics. To manage your products, go to the Products page in your Shopify admin. From here, you can add or update information about any of your products. To add a new product to your store, click Add Product and give the product a name, description, and an image, video, or 3D model that will be displayed next to it. The current price of the product should be put into price, and if the product is on sale, the original price of the product can be put into the Compare At price to show how much cheaper the sale is. Make sure to enable charge tax on this product here, unless you have a reason to disable it. If you want to keep track of net profit, you can enter a cost per item. Customers won't see this, but it'll provide you with margin and profit information. To keep track of your product types, you can give the product an SKU and a barcode if you use either. Shopify can keep track of stock automatically. If you enable Track Quantity, you can enter the quantity of items at each of your locations. By default, the product will show as out of stock when your stock drops to 0. You can override this by clicking Continue Selling when out of stock. If your product is physical, enable This is a physical product to set up shipping for it. If you're selling domestically, you just need to set the weight. But if you're selling internationally, you'll need to enter the country, region of origin, and the HS code for your product. If you disable This is a physical product, customers won't enter a shipping address or choose a shipping method when buying the product. You can use this to create digital products. If your product has variants, enable This product has options. You can add any number of options, each of which has a name and any number of possible values. Customers choose from these options in their cart, and you can see these options once their order comes in. To make your product visible, you'll need to set its status to active, and assign it to one or more sales channels by clicking the checkbox next to it. To make your product visible, you'll need to set its status to active, and assign it to one or more sales channels by clicking the checkbox next to the sales channel. If you want to make it active at a set time instead, you can click Schedule its availability and choose a date for it to go public. Once you're done creating your product, click Save. You can go back and edit products you've previously created by clicking the name of the product you want to change, modifying the product's details, and clicking Save again. You can see what a product looks like on your web store by clicking Preview. You can easily create similar products by duplicating an existing product. While editing the product you want to duplicate, click Duplicate. Give the new product a title, choose any additional details to carry over, and select whether to create it as a draft or set it as active immediately. Then click Duplicate Product. If you want to use an external editor to edit your products in bulk, you can export your current products as a CSV file by clicking Export and clicking Export Products. Editing the CSV file on your computer and uploading it into Shopify by clicking Import, selecting the CSV file, and clicking Upload and Continue. There are, of course, more ways that you can add and edit products, but those are the basic ways to customize what you're selling.